celebration starts today. 10, oh no, oh wow, what can it be?
Something is floating out at sea.
5 little ducks shout, come along.
Let's help together with a rescue song. 5 little ducks went splash, splash, splash through the river with a happy dash. They saw a tiny boat drift far away.
We can help, they said that day. Quack, 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 let's go. Paddling fast but steady and slow, working together side by side. Across the sparkling water they glide. Quack, quack, heroes, here we go, helping friends wherever they go. Flap your wings and tap your feet, making every rescue sweet. 5 little ducks found a turtle friend, caught in seaweed around a bend. They gently pulled and set him free. Now he could swim so happily.
The turtle smiled.
Thank you, ducks!
You saved me with your caring luck.
The ducks all cheered and danced around. Happy quacking was the sound. Quack, quack, heroes, here we go, helping friends wherever they go. Flap your wings and tap your feet, making every rescue sweet. 5 little ducks heard a squeaky call from a baby crab so very small. His bucket floated far away. The ducks helped bring it back that day.
Round and round they paddled near.
Don't you worry, we're right here. The baby crab began to grin and did a happy little spin. Quack, quack, heroes, here we go, helping friends wherever they go. Flap your wings and tap your feet, making every rescue sweet. 5 little ducks saw clouds roll by. A colorful kite flew through the sky. A playful breeze took it away. The ducks helped save the kite that day. Up they waddled, down they ran, working together with a plan. Soon the kite was flying high, dancing softly in the sky. Quack, quack, heroes, hip hooray, we helped our friends throughout the day. Flap your wings and sing along, kindness makes the world a song. 5 little ducks say see you soon, we'll be back with another tune.